Goes.
Huck it at the other one.
It's definitely smoking.
Throw it at the other one.
Throw it at the other one. Someone want to try spray it?
Okay, let's try the eyeball.
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 Okay, we're doing a sheep's eyeball.
Piglet's eyeball.
It's
Putting
a
it
human
on a lid of
They're slaughtering a human.
axe can.
eyeball.
Or maybe take the lid off and put it on the lid.
It'll stick in there.
Those lids don't come off. Whoa.
Sorry.
So we're putting axe in the
Okay,
Back up!
Back up!
Dad,
Back up!
Sorry.
This is gonna be this century's Chernobyl.
Hey, what if we sprayed it full of axe and then put a CD in there? It would spark and blow up.
There's Derek over there getting perfectly
Dad,
ready.
move over.
Like right away.
Boom! Just 1 second. Boom! Just turns around.
Good.
1 second, Derek's there. Next
Hey, stop! Stop!
There we go. Okay, 7 is high. Okay, so wait a minute here.
Hey, what we should do is get that CD and put full of axe in there and then let it go.
Didn't you hit power? I want to get to 7. That is a complicated one.
7 Fahrenheit isn't hot. That's like way below
Power
zero.
level, guys.
It's on high here. All you
Oh,
gotta do
we're
is
on high.
give it some time.
So big deal. So
Oh,
let's
good.
give her.
What's in there?
Oh, here we'll clear it.
An eyeball.
Let's go 8 minutes.
The time.
8 minutes. Back up.
Ready to go.
Go and go.
Go!
All right, eyeball.
This is an eyeball on an axe can and spray. Maybe we should back up just in case.
Just in case it works.
Yeah, the eyeball's on top of the axe
Oh,
lid.
look, he's looking at you.
He's looking at you. I smell
No, he's
burning
not.
axe and burning something else that stinks.
Get ready, he'll look at you. He's looking at you.
Not looking.
Not looking.
Not looking.
Looking.
Look. It's like the evil
Oh, look.
eye.
Whoa. Oh, what's going on? All right.
The eyeball exploded. If not, I'm pretty sure you didn't see that.
It's like a rocket.
Who's got an eyeball?
It's like
Look at it cruising around. Well, that's on the table.
All the juice come out of it, eh?
The juice is all over the front of
all
it.
gonna get close.
It's gross.
Oh, is that eyeball juice right around?
Yeah.
It's a little crispy, crunchy thing. All right.